Hello everyone, welcome to the STEM activities. Today we are going to experiment what happens when we play with marker pens, water and paper. It is very important for this that you use very thin paper like toilet paper, kitchen paper or paper towels. Those are the best ones. I want to show you first what happens and then I explain how to do it. I'm going to show you 2 ways we can do this. First, I'll use this tray and the water from this jar. I will pour some water here. And then I'll drop this on the tray and you'll see what happens. The other method I'm going to use, I'm going to do it with this flower that has no color, as you can see. And instead of dropping it on this tray with water, I'm going to use this bottle spray. So first, I'm going to put this tray away since I'm not going to use it. And I'm going to use this table mat to cover and protect the table. I'm going to put my flower with no color here and I'm going to spray some water on it. Look at that. So that you can make this, you first take your paper, the piece of paper you're going to use. I'm using paper towels. You know you can use toilet paper or kitchen paper as well. Take your black marker. It works better with a permanent marker. You can also use these markers, but we will check later what happens when we use the normal markers. And make your drawing. I'm going to draw a sun. It is a bit tricky because this paper is very thin and it breaks easily. So you might need to be very patient. It's good if you go over the same lines a few times on the side of the paper and we get the same drawing on the other side. You see? We go over the lines. Oops. My table mat was a bit wet and I got some colors already there, but you see now I have 2 suns, 1 and 2, both with no color. Now I'm going to use some yellow to color the sun that is behind. Just color only one of the suns, not both. See? Doesn't need to be perfect. The water will help us spread the color. See, now I have the sun with color and I cover it with the other sun. See? Now we have a sun with no color. Now, if you're ready, we can now get it wet. Look at this. My sun is now yellow. Now, I said that I was going to show what happens if you use this one instead of the permanent color. Let's draw star. I'm not very good at drawing stars, so let's see what comes out. It's going to be harder to draw the same one here. I color this one green. I have a green star, a special star. You see, we can color things any color we want. Now I'm going to drop it in the water and you'll see what happens. Let me move this back. Oops. Making a bit mess there. Here. You see? Let's get a closer view so I can show you. With this one, even though it also works and the color, the green transfer to the front, you see the black is also getting mixed with the water and it also transfers and moves. With this one, the black stays and helps keep the color inside. That's why we can use both, but it works better with this one. So guys, since we already played with markers and water and seen what happens, I want you to explore something else. I want to show you what I have here. So here I put a purple circle and I got it wet. Do you see how the blue is coming out of the purple? And with the orange is yellow. And in the brown there's some red. This is a good way to find out what pigments were used to make the colors in the markers. I want to show you how you can do this and experiment and explore what colors come. So now I'm going to show you what color pigments were used to make some of the marker pens you're using. I'm going to use in this case this black marker pen, this green one, this purple one, and this orange one. Let's see what happens. I'm going to make a circle. In one piece, I cut my paper towel in 4 pieces to have each color on a different one, but you can have them all together like I do here. It also works. To make them wet. So as you can see from the purple, we can already see some blue pigments. The drier it gets, if you wait until it gets drier, you will see more and more of the blue beads. From the green one, we can already start seeing some yellowish parts. Do you see? There are already some yellowish areas there. And with the black one, you never know. Sometimes it has purple, sometimes it has green. This time, look, this one, it looks like they use some blue to make this black. Do you see the blue bits? This is a very interesting experiment because it's different depending on the marker pens you use. So guys, you now have 2 different experiments you can make just using your marker pen, some water, and some paper. Remember, here we used some paper towels, but you can use toilet paper, kitchen paper. You can even experiment with normal drawing papers. Some drawing paper work as well. I tried and sometimes it works. You can also try to see what happens. That's the magic of experimenting. And I hope you have fun with this activity and send us pictures and videos of your discoveries. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more fun videos like this one. Bye bye!